Welcome to Avaya IP Office Tutorials by MindVen. In this tutorial, we will look at how to configure remote access to user voicemail box from any extension. First of all, open the Avaya IP Office Manager. Enter the administrator password. Select the user for whom you want to enable remote access. Click on Voicemail tab. Set the voicemail access code. Click OK. Now go to Shortcodes and add new shortcode. In the code field, enter *90. Then select Voicemail Collect feature from the drop-down list. In the telephone number field, enter question mark inside double quote, followed by extension number. Finally, click OK. In our case, the shortcode was already created. Click Save and Merge Configuration. Now from any Avaya phone, dial *90 to access remotely to the configured voicemail box. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on IT tutorials.